Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to register for a library research workshop. There are two types of workshops that you can register for. The first are workshops that are available in the library face-to-face. These run for about an hour. The other option is to take a workshop online through Canvas. The website you are currently on has all of the information on how to register for either an in-person workshop or an online workshop. Once you've decided if you want to take a workshop in the library or online, you will go to the appropriate tabs on the left-hand side of this website. To take a workshop in the library, click on Workshops in the Library on the left-hand side. From here, you'll click on Library Calendar to see the selection of workshops that are upcoming. Please note that the date and time and which workshop are all available on this screen. If it's easier for you to see a calendar view, you can switch to calendar view. Once you've decided which workshop you'd like to attend, for example, I'm going to choose Finding Articles, you'll click on the title. On this page, you'll see exactly what you'll be learning and who is presenting, meaning who is the librarian who will be giving this workshop. You can then click Begin Registration at the bottom of the page. Fill out the registration in its entirety. You will then be given an email as a reminder of when this event is going to take place. If you'd rather take an online workshop through Canvas, click on the Online Workshops button to the left of the home screen for workshops. From here, you decide which of the online workshops you are either required to take or wish to take. Currently, we have the Finding Articles online workshop, and there will be a Finding Reliable online research workshop available soon. To register, click on the link. You'll then sign into Canvas using your WebAdvisor username and password. The next screen, you'll have an area where you will enroll in the course. You then follow the directions from the Canvas page. If you ever have any trouble with anything on this page or in registering, please contact a librarian at the reference desk. There's contact information at the bottom of each one of these pages. Thank you.